There it is, guys. I finally lifted my truck. So I am running the Rough Country 3-inch lift with the premium M3 shocks. You can tell the difference from stock height to the 3-inch. I love it. I've had it already for probably on 2 months, just adjusting the keys on how the height I like it at. Just adjusting. I had it like almost cranked out all the way, and the speed bumps were harsh, so I lowered it a little bit more. The threads. Let me see if I can see it. I know the car is on, but right here, it's about my pinky's gap of how much the key is left. But yeah, guys, super stoked, super stoked. I'm running Falcon 285 7017s Wild Peak. Pretty dope. Here, let me get the block. There we go. Sorry for my hand in the way. But yeah, guys, I know I haven't posted in a minute, but life has been busy. I apologize for that. And hopefully this year coming up, I'll be able to post more. We will see, just home renovations and work. Yeah, guys, super stoked. Love the way it feels. I do have to not jump, but you know, like a tippy toe in more. Let me turn off the heater. It's like 52 degrees outside right now. So let me see if I can show you guys an example. So just, I can't get in regularly now. I have to like shimmy in, but probably get running boards, not rock sliders, because my wife and my mom had trouble getting in. So I'll probably get running boards to hop in better. But yeah, guys, let's take a look at the other side too, so we can get both sides of the car. Here we go. I took off the Flowmaster muffler. I want to move it up closer, so right now I'm running no muffler. But guys, I'm so happy on how it looks now. So happy. And I got a tonneau cover also, which is pretty cool. I forgot to tell you guys. I didn't do an install video because I had my daughter with me, and I don't want her to put her on YouTube that much. But yeah, so happy. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll do my best to post more videos in 2024. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.